And now we shall drink our potions and be young for the rest of eternity. Hello witchlings of the internet, and welcome to Potion Making 101. I'm going to show you how I make my own moisturizer. Of course, this is specific for my own skin type. It tends to get really dry if I don't moisturize it really well, and immediately after it gets really oily, but it tends more towards the oily, so that's what my ingredients are about. I think I'm going to get rid of this hat because it's going to get annoying really fast. I know this video was quite different to my previous one, but I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. I am trying to move towards using more natural products. No weird chemicals that are really scary when you Google them. And now I'm afraid I must go, but I hope that you will join me with more craziness and creative antics very soon. If that's something you might be interested in, go ahead and subscribe in the subscribe button thingy underneath this video. I hope you stick around and I will see you very soon. Bye! And now we shall drink our potions and be young for the rest of eternity.